Hey guys, it's Paul here, and today we're looking at the Around the Farm book, noise book, sound book, and I got this for my daughter as a gift because she loves the little buttons and sounds. And there's texture on the front cover here. It is paper pages here. I wish it was a board so that it would be more sturdy and durable, but it's still okay, as you can see. These are what the pages look like, and they have the corresponding icons of a goat with a goat sound over here. Alright, so let's push some buttons. So each page there's a little picture of the animal and then the corresponding icon for you to push on the side. Oh, where's the turtle? Push the turtle.
Turtle. Turtle.
What is this?
Cow.
What is that? Apple. Oh, that's an apple. So there you go. That's what it, close up what it looks like, and the button.
Horse. Crow. Rabbit.
So there's 30 different sounds and icons here. And then on the back there's this little where you can replace the batteries, and there's a screw, so there's a safety mechanism in place. Show you what the artwork and the different pages look like. So this is the front cover, but basically it just follows along with the icons here on the side. So you got the cow and the bull, and then it goes down here. Here's the donkey and the horse, the chick, the rooster, you got the mouse and dog and cat, fish, turtles, the owls. And that's it.